profile parting is taken from the centre of the forehead to the centre of the nape. A radial parting is taken from the top of the crown to the top of the ear. This is repeated on the opposite side. Working with diagonal partings, a diamond section with each side the width of a foil is taken around the crown area. From the front sides of the diamond, take a parting to the mid-recession area. Repeat this on the opposite side. Starting behind the radial, on the left-hand side of the diamond, take a parallel slice to the diagonal parting. Raising the slice, place a foil underneath and directly bring the slice of hair over the foil. Apply plenty of product to the hair below the edge of the foil and towards the mid-lengths. Then brush minimal product towards the foil edge. To create corner fold, fold the foil so the corners meet and turn each corner in on a diagonal to secure the foil. Take a parallel slice directly above and subdivide. Repeat the application of raising the slice, placing the foil directly underneath, then lowering the slice directly over the foil. Apply plenty of product below the edge of the foil and towards the mid-lengths. Then brush minimal product towards the foil edge. Fold the foil in half so all four corners meet and turn each corner in on a diagonal to secure the foil. This is a corner foil fold technique. The method of using a pintail comb ensures clean partings are used to create sections. The pintail comb is placed under the fold of the foil and placed directly to the root. This method ensures closeness to the root area with even tension. The pintail comb helps to create the crease, whilst the corner edge is held in place when the foil is folded corner to corner. This method of application is repeated until the diamond section is complete. Apply plenty of product below the edge of the foil and towards the mid-lengths, then brush minimal product towards the foil edge. Once this section is complete, move on to the front section. Starting on the front hairline, on the right-hand side, a fine slice is taken. The slice is elevated and brought directly over the foil. Product is then applied below the foil edge, working up with minimal product towards the edge of the foil. Fold the foil in half so all 4 corners meet, and turn each corner in on a diagonal to secure the foil. Take a slice directly above and subdivide with the same method of application. Foil fold is repeated. Surface Lights has been designed to create movement and texture in the top area of a haircut as diagonal partings are used. Weaves or slices can be utilised depending on the desired effect. The technique is now complete. The colour is developed, removed and toned to manufacturer's guidelines.